Hey y'all, it's P Rose back again with another video. Come get my hair done with me featuring my homegirl Keely. Today we got some special guests with us. We got my badass nephews and we got her little cute ass baby. Y'all gonna see her towards the end. I don't know if y'all seen my short video pertaining to this visit here, but this is the part where I said we was slow as fuck. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I was trying to explain to her to turn me around like they be doing in the little transitions. But like I said, I think it was just because it was our first time that it just was not working out, child. But that is neither here nor there. We got our footage. We got our content. We did what we needed to do. That was that. And I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it. I told her right here, I said, girl, we look slow. We look slow. But we kept trying. And yeah, you see, I kicked the damn light, bitch. Kicked the light. I said, you know what? Try it one more time. Try it one more time. And whatever we come up with, baby, that's going to be the end. That is going to be the complete end. We ain't about to keep doing that. I said, yeah. And then, boom, it's going to be a video. So anyway, bitch, I ain't got much to say. I ain't about to talk to y'all for the whole little 6 minutes. Stick to the end. Let us know how you liked it. You know, let us know in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, until next time. Y'all see her? Y'all see her? Bad bitch alert. Bad bitch alert.